guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Look what I have here. The new pumpkin cake from Crumbl cookie. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it today. So let's get started. Bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of each regular sugar and brown sugar. You're going to cream this together with 1 stick of softened butter. Once it's fully incorporated and you no longer see any lumps of butter, you're going to add 1 cup of neutral oil along with 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Alright guys, see how easy that was? Now that all our wet ingredients are mixed up, you're just going to add it to 4 cups of flour. Add the rest of the dry ingredients. This is a teaspoon of salt along with baking soda and baking powder. And of course a little pumpkin pie spice. You could always just use like cinnamon if you don't have pumpkin pie spice. Go ahead and mix all of this together. Look how wonderful this looks. It's so thick and it smells unbelievable. I'm telling you guys now, this is one of the best pumpkin muffins or cake batters you will ever try in your life. I had to customize it to make it just extra moist, to resemble Crumbl. You know how Crumbl is like extra rich and delicious? This is the little cake that we're gonna be copying today. And as you can tell, the layers, they're very thin, and this is a 4-inch cake. It's really tiny. So I'm gonna be using this today. This is a cinnamon roll pan and it has 4-inch circles. So you could use this. I'll leave the link down below where I got it from. Or you can use, if you have like little 4-inch cake pans, which I have seen before, but you know, I would only have like 1 or 2 of those. I wouldn't have like a whole set of 6. So you're gonna take your ice cream scoop. This is about a 1/2 cup, and you're gonna take a little bit of batter. This is fully greased and floured so that they won't stick, and just put a little bit inside because we don't want, like, we're not making muffins here. Oven preheated at 350 degrees. You're gonna bake these for around 10 to 12 minutes. They're really thin. After you insert your knife and see that it comes out clean, you're gonna take these out. Look how precious these are. They're so tiny. Put them on a cooling rack and you're gonna repeat the process. Take your pan and just put some more batter into it. I don't even cool the pan down, and I don't even grease it again because it already has enough butter and flour from the first time. So add it, and then you're gonna just keep on making these. Now for these cakes, the faster they cool down, the faster we can frost them. The cream cheese frosting is really easy to make. Let me show you how. To a mixing bowl, you're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar with a stick of butter and 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. The cream cheese frosting in the pumpkin cake has vanilla bean specks, so I'm gonna be using this vanilla bean. You could use this, or you could use like just vanilla extract. See how pretty these little dots of vanilla are? And it smells so good, like really strong vanilla. Make sure all of this is softened at room temp. The longer you let this whip, the more light and airy it becomes. And last but not least, guys, you're gonna take one of your cakes, take like the ugliest one, and you're just gonna crumble it right on top. All right, guys, now for the best part, taste test time. Look at this. I don't know why Crumbl is always darker. Everything I make that's pumpkin, I think Crumbl may use a little molasses in their cookies and cakes. Crumbl, pretty soft. That's what the cake looks like. Ooh. Oh, yes. Let's try Crumbl's first. This tastes strong of nutmeg. It like punched me in the face right away. Really good, surprisingly. It has a strong flavor. Now let's try mine. Cheers. Oh, both of them are good. Both of them are equally as good. Mine, of course, is warm, so that makes a big difference. Because look at the frosting, it's even kind of gooey. These taste equally the same. That's crazy. This is the first time that's happened. Usually mine is better. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my other Crumbl copycat videos, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.